Hey guys, in this one I'll show you exactly how to add a base in Airtable. First, open your web browser and head to airtable.com. If you're not already logged in, log in now. Once you're in, you'll see your Airtable homepage with your workspaces and any existing bases displayed. Next, look for the plus create button. It's on your homepage, just click it. Once you do, you'll see a workspace selection interface pop up. Now you need to choose which workspace to add your base to. Click on your preferred workspace from the list. After you select it, you'll see several base creation options appear, things like build from a template, start from scratch, and maybe an AI option depending on your account type. For this walkthrough, I'll go with start from scratch, so click that option. You'll now get a pop-up asking you to name your base. Type in whatever name makes sense for what you're building, something descriptive so you can find it later. After you've typed your base name, you'll see options to customize the appearance. You can select a color and an icon for your base. This step is optional, but it's useful when you have multiple bases and need to spot them quickly. Pick a color by clicking on one of the color options, then choose an icon if you want one. Once you're happy with the name and appearance, click the button at the bottom of the dialog to create your base. Your new base will open immediately. You'll see it's already set up with a default grid view that looks similar to a spreadsheet. Airtable automatically adds a first table called Table 1 with a few default fields and 3 blank records to get you started. A couple of quick tips: the first thing most people do is rename that default table. Just click the down arrow next to Table 1 and select Rename Table. Also, if you ever need to add another base to the same workspace later, you can click the gray, add a base icon from within that workspace, which skips the workspace selection step entirely. And one more thing, if you're working with a team, your collaborator permission level determines which creation options you'll see, so don't worry if your screen looks slightly different from someone else's. Thanks for watching. If this was useful, smash that like button and I'll see you in the next video.